This video was made possible thanks to the Pump Station and Nursery. Come visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, California. You can also visit our website, pumpstation.com.
Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with the Pump Station and Nursery and Infant Toddler Youth. And we're going to show you how to do the Britax Poplar seatbelt installation in front-facing mode. So remember, before you use your car seat, make sure to read the manual so you understand how your car seat works and where all the adjustments are. All right, so for a front-facing installation, the first thing I recommend doing is throwing the top tether out from behind the car seat. Because straight out of the box, the top tether is strapped behind the chair. So if you install the seatbelt first, you will not be able to get to this. So I'm going to loosen the top tether by lifting up on this panel here. I'm going to disconnect it from the back. And for Britax, they have the V tether. So these are going to go around the headrest. So I'm just going to loosen it up to get plenty of room. I'm going to throw it around the headrest. And then make sure that the car seat is flush on the vehicle seat and right up against the back of the vehicle. Before we feed the seatbelt through the car seat, we have to make sure the angle's in the right area. Make sure your car is parked on a flat surface, so that way you get an accurate reading. You want to make sure the white ball is somewhere in the green area. If it's not in the green area, you can turn the car seat. There's a recline trigger near the front here. If you squeeze it, you're able to adjust the recline of the chair, and you just want to adjust it so that way the white ball is somewhere in the green, which means that it's safe for front facing. Now, the next thing we have to do is open up the click tight. So Britax click tight makes the installation extremely easy. On the front of the chair here, you're going to see it says click tight. If you lift up the fabric, there's going to be two gray buttons with arrows pointed toward each other. You're going to use two fingers and you're going to squeeze the buttons together, and that's going to open up the whole car seat here. Now, Britax tries to make things easy. Everything is color coded. Blue is for rear facing, while green is for front facing. You're going to see the same thing on both sides of the chair. Because we're doing front facing, our seatbelt is going to go between the two green arrows. I'm going to grab my seatbelt. The same thing I showed you on that side is on this side. I'm going to make sure the lap and shoulder belt go through the two green arrows. We're going to feed the seatbelt under the car seat here, between the two green arrows on this side, and then I'm going to buckle in. Once I'm buckled, I'm going to tighten the seatbelt up just a little bit. You don't have to do too much. So grab the shoulder belt, push down on the car seat, and I'm just going to slowly rock the chair from side to side. And I'm pushing the car seat into the vehicle seat as I'm tightening. So I'm not just rocking it. I'm kind of pushing it into the vehicle seat and rocking it. And make sure you do not tighten the seatbelt too much. Most of the tightening is going to happen is when you close the click tight door on top of the seatbelt. So push the door all the way down until it clicks. And then the way you're going to test it is with one hand. You're going to grab it from either side of the car seat. Grab it as close to the green as possible. All you're looking for is an inch of movement. If the car seat moves more than an inch from side to side or front to back, open the door and retighten it. But if it's moving less than an inch like this, that's perfect. And the click tight is a true lock off. So when you close this, it actually locks the seatbelt in place. So you're not going to pull the seatbelt all the way out. You're not going to do that. Britax doesn't require it. All you need is the click tight door. Let's go to the trunk so that way we can connect the top tether now. So in my car, the top tether is located directly behind the seat, and there's actually an indicator to show you where it is. There's a picture of a car seat and a tether, and then the tether hook is right below it. Now the Britax has the V tether, so there's two straps and they're going around the headrest, and right on the center of the strap is the metal hook. When you're connecting it, make sure the flap part is facing outward. You don't want the hook to be facing outward. So we're going to click it in. We're going to tighten it up. And this doesn't have to be super tight. You just want to make sure it's snug and that all the loose slack is gone.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow the Pump Station and Nursery on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the details will be in the description below. See you in the next video.